Today I'll show you how to install a VPS Koii node on a Linux server, Ubuntu 20. And first of all, I want to really say thanks to Matthias, who have managed to create this guide previously, but since this GitHub project have disappeared, I duplicated his work and added some additional details and some corrections. Basically, here is everything you need to launch a VPS task node for a free token task. And remember, if you have any questions, hop on Discord, on developers chat. I'll be happy to help. So let's begin. First of all, of course, join your VPS server, add your credentials. This guide link you will be able to find in the video description. So now let's scroll down to what are the requirements to run this playbook and how to install it. And let's run the command. Alright, so we have just cloned the repository from GitHub. So now we're going to enter the Koii headless version 2.0 folder. In order to configure the username, replace in the echo command the user Koii to your system user. Now we can go in groupvars all.yml file and to verify. Alright, now we go on to the inventory YML file to adjust the server IP and also uncomment the last two lines and change the Ansible host to your server IP. Let's execute the playbook. Since I have successfully executed Playbook, now we must update the env local file as described in the guide over here. And let's execute this command to rename it properly. Open it up and adjust it accordingly. VPS guide, second section here. So set environment to production. Update the tasks filled with the task IDs. This is down here. And actually, at the current moment, you can see here, this is for free token task. Just for your information, in the guide, right in the end, you'll have all the task IDs listed there. The task stakes, as it says here, how much you would like to stake into the task. I'll leave the 5 Koii there. And the initial staking balance, it should be the task stakes plus at least 1 Koii. And down here, you'll have some additional variables to set for which is required for another tasks. But so once everything is set, Ctrl S to save and Ctrl X to exit. We return back to the guide. Now it's the section to create a wallet or use existing wallet key. So here's the guide if you want to create a new wallet and then transfer some Koii. Now it's the time for creating a wallet and adding on some Koii. So I suggest you to look inside the VPS guide, where's the section set up new Koii public key, and you start with the command Koii balance. After you have executed Koii balance, you can see here there's an error. Basically run this one so it generates a new wallet. I'm gonna go and execute. So now for added security, my password. Now we have successfully generated a wallet keys. So now here is the seed phrase to your wallet. Please place that in a secure place. And on parallel, I'm gonna add this VPS node wallet to my Finnie wallet extension in order for me to monitor how many Koii I have earned. And also, if I like, also I could transfer. Click this arrow. I'm gonna click add account. I'm entering my password. We use the section use my existing key, import a key with the secret phrase. The network is Koii, so you select Koii, and now you import your secret phrase, confirm it, voila, your key was successfully imported. Go to home page. If I scroll down, there it is, my new wallet. But as you can see here, actually this is not the same which the public key is visible here, because this key is related to this new key pair, which is in the id.json file. So basically, in order to monitor this, we'll have to import a key file. I'm going to reach out to FileZilla. I'm going to locate this generated file. And as we remember, we have to go to home, Koii fan, then config.config, there it is, .config, Koii, and here is this id.json file. Click this button at the top there, scroll to the end, import a key file, click on it. There's once again your password. It's a key from on the Koii chain. So here's this file. I'm just dropping it here and click confirm. Let's go to settings. Just scroll to the bottom. Now we can see that it's this exact same public key. I must transfer to this wallet 10 Koii, what I did write in the configuration file. So now I'll go to my Finnie wallet. I'll click send. I'm writing 10, this public key copy, send it. Okay, confirmed. I'm going to use the existing wallet key, Koii, over here. I have there the id.json file, and I'm just adding inside here. So I'm totally sure that in my wallet there's enough Koii. Go back to Koii node folder, and we execute the Docker. Permission denied. That just means need to execute the root user. All right, now that it's started, let's check the logs there. All right, and we encountered this invalid wallet path error, and that just leads us back to the Docker compose file, nano docker compose. As you can see here, this is the current wallet location. We should adjust it. My wallet is located home, Koii fan /config/Koii. Let's run the Docker back again and check the output. And you can see that now we're succeeding. Awesome. See the testnet koii.live execution code. That is success. Now that we have succeeded with the installation, now we're able to monitor some tasks or claim the rewards, and basically you just execute this create task CLE command, then you with the arrows you select, let's say, claim reward, and here's the example for this free token task, how to claim the rewards. Task IDs, stake pot account address, the address where the funds you want to be transferred to, path towards the claimer wallet, and that is the staking wallet JSON file. And I just need to adjust this one because I'm Koii fan, and click enter. All right, yeah, now there doesn't have any balance on the task state. That's correct because we just launched the task, so it takes time. Later on, try to execute this, and then you will get like a success message in the end. All right, and always you can monitor your node. Go back to and run the docker logs command to see where it is standing. Everything is running. We're done with the node setup. Please like, share, comment, ask questions, follow my account for future videos in relation to Koii network. Cheers!